Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. This video is a tutorial on how to use Slack for beginners. In this video, we will talk about Slack, who can use it, the pricing and membership plans, how to sign up, how to create your workspace, and how to send messages within your workspace. So there's a lot going on in this video. Make sure you're sticking till the end. Let's begin with a short intro to what Slack is. Slack calls itself your digital HQ, which simply means you can use it to stay in touch with your people, tools, and communication. It brings everything under one roof. This is Slack's homepage, and if you scroll down, you can see a lot of big companies over the world trust this platform. It is a communication platform that brings your team together. If you scroll down further, you will also see you can choose how you want to work with Slack. There's a lot of flexibility. You can move faster with your tools all in one place. And below there are some statistics. As you can see, 85% of users say that Slack has improved communication. 86% feel that their ability to work remotely has improved. And 88% feel more connected to their teams. Below, there is also some testimonials. So let's go back to the top and see the pricing plans before we show you how to sign up. Click on pricing at the top navigation bar and you will be taken to this page where you can see that apart from the free plan, there are these other three plans that currently are available on Slack. In the free plan, you get all these as the features. There is access to the most recent 90 days of message history, 10 integrations, and one-on-one audio and video conversations. Let's move this out of the way. Then we have the Pro plan, which is at 7.25 USD, and all the benefits are mentioned over here that are apart from what you get in the free plan. Then comes the Business Plus plan, which is at 1250 USD, and you get everything that's there in the Pro plan. And apart from that, you get all these benefits. Then there is the Enterprise Grid plan, which is more flexible. And if you want to know its pricing, you can contact the sales team. You get everything that's there in the Business Plus plan. And apart from that, you get all these as well. If you scroll down, you have a comprehensive view of all the features and you can compare everything. Like you can see what are unlimited in which plan and which features are available and which are not in which plan. So whichever suits you, you can just click on the Get Started option underneath it. Now that we have seen the pricing and the membership plans, let's go ahead with the sign up process. To join Slack, you can simply click the Try for Free button at the top right corner, or else sign up with your email address by clicking on this button, or else sign up with Google. Let's go ahead and sign up with email address. Simply put in your email address over here and click on the Continue button. You'll get a verification code on your email. You just need to put it over here. Once you put in the code, and it'll verify and take you to the next step, which is where you need to create your workspace. So click on the button that says Create a Workspace. Next, you will need to answer some questions. The first question is, what's the name of your company or team? We're going to give in a dummy name. Click on the next button after giving in your company's name. And if you want to add team members, you can do that over here. For now, we're going to skip this step. You can also name some project. Let's name our project as marketing. And then click the next button. That will bring you to your dashboard. As you can see, we are currently on the dashboard of marketing, which is the project that we entered. So that is basically the channel we are on. This is the specialty of Slack. When you create different projects or you have different teams under the same company, you can create different channels for them right over here. Anyway, let's look at this dashboard and do a complete walkthrough of what is there on it. On the top, you can see there is a search bar. If you have a lot going on under the same ID in Slack, then you can use this search bar to just search through the company. And if you click on this workspace name, that is company ABC, as we've entered over here, you've got a lot of options over here. So first is you can invite people. Second is you can create a channel, as I said earlier. Then there is preferences, settings and administration. Then you've got the tools option. Under that, there is this particular thing called workflow builder, which is really very useful for people who want to have a workflow arranged within Slack. So just let's move this out of the way, which is templates. So templates is what you can use to create a workflow within your workspace. You can give a warm welcome to teammates. You can click the setup button to just set that up. You can also have things like daily stand-ups and check-ins or status updates. So that's about the work builder. Then there is add workspaces. You can sign into another workspace, create a new workspace, or find a workspace. Then you can open the desktop app or even get the mobile app and sign out from the workspace. Then there is the channel section under which you will have all the channels. General and random are channels that Slack automatically creates. So it's automatically there. If you don't want it, you can just right click on it and click on leave channel over here or mute it if you don't want it. Then under channels, if you want to create a new channel, you can simply click this plus icon. If you hit these three dots, then you have options for the section. Underneath that, you can also add channels using this option over here. Then below that, there are direct messages. So if someone is directly messaging you under this workspace, it will open up over here. If you want to add teammates, you simply need to hit this button. Below, you can see there is the channel's name over here, and you can also start a huddle or copy the huddle link of it. Huddle is simply meetings. The name of meetings in Slack is called huddle. So in case you are in a huddle with someone, it will show up over here. Then on the top right side, you can see view all the members in this channel. And if you want to invite someone, you can do that as well. And on the top right side, you have your profile pic, which we can click and get access to all these different things. And you can also set your status. There are different options in Slack. Like if you're on a holiday, you can choose this one. If you're on a sick leave, you can choose that. And that's all about this workspace. Now let's see what you can do for messaging. If you want to message someone, you can simply type the message over here and type in a text. Now the text in this is editable. You can make it bold, italic, strike through, add a link, or you can also give it a list of a bulleted appearance. And there are also options to give it a quote appearance, or if you want to insert a code, etc. And below that, you can see you can add attachments. You can record a video clip or even an audio clip, send emojis, and mention someone using the @ symbol. And there is also the hide formatting option. So once you send a message in a channel like this, you can also hover your cursor over it and you will see all these different options. You can mark it with a tick mark as completed, or take a look, or nicely done. These are emojis or reactions that you can add to any particular message. And if you want to search through more, you can just hit on this react button and more will open. And you can reply to the message within a thread rather than inside the channel. So if you want to, save up space, you can hit this button and reply to the message. And then there are more actions that you can do for a particular message. So that's basically how you can create a channel within a workspace and also how you can send a message inside that channel. With this, we have completed a tutorial on how to use Slack for beginners. We truly hope this video has benefited you. Do let us know your thoughts in the comment section below. If you have any topic suggestions for us, do let us know about that as well in the comment section. We'll catch you soon in our next video. Till then, stay tuned and stay subscribed to our channel.